Angelica. Hello, good afternoon. I'm really so glad to be here amidst all the happy faces. Thank you. My name is Teresa Luis. I'm a medical doctor. I work in the busiest hospital here in New Zealand and in the Southern Hemisphere. My day is actually very full, seeing patients, attending meetings, going to court, doing reports. And by midday, I'm so tired, really drained. So I was really fortunate to go into a facial event by Atomy, and I learned about Hemohim and how it helps with immunity and energy levels. So after doing my own research, and also after doing my own due diligence, I decided to give it a try. And I'm so glad I did, because now I can really say that I have enough energy and stamina all throughout the day, and my concentration is really good. It is now part of my daily routine. So I'm so pleased today to present the best health supplement of Atomy, Hemohim. According to Tefatu Ora's Health New Zealand statistics, in 2023, there were 700,000 New Zealanders who were afflicted with chronic lung disease, and 300,000 New Zealanders who were afflicted with diabetes. In the 2021 statistics, there were no less than 27,000 newly diagnosed cancer cases. So cancer remains to be the #1 cause of death here in New Zealand. And the risk factors are preventable. They're modifiable. So what would you choose? Would you rather be ill, lying in bed, feeling tired, lethargic with no energy? Or would you rather navigate through life in good health, being productive, traveling, enjoying, and creating wonderful memories with family and friends? Of course, we would choose the latter, but attaining good health requires lifestyle choices, like a healthy diet, exercise, and more. So what is Hemohim? Hemohim is a natural herbal supplement developed through 8 years of research by KAIRI, the Korean Atomic Energy Research Institute. It was developed in 1997 as a government project to help support the immune health of workers and scientists exposed to the harmful effects of radiation. Around 5 billion Korean won, or $6.2 New Zealand million, was spent on research. Hemohim helps the body to form healthy blood cells. Hemo, in the word Hemohim, stands for hemoglobin, which is the red blood cell that carries oxygen in the body. H stands for hematopoiesis, which is the production of red and white blood cells that are important for immunity. IM stands for immune modulation. So not only does Hemohim boost the immune system, but it also balances and regulates the immune system. Hemohim is approved by the Ministry of Food and Drug Safety in South Korea as a functional health supplement to support the immune health. Hemohim has 21 patents worldwide, including patents from countries like Korea, USA, Japan, and Europe. It is patented for its antioxidant, hematopoietic, and anti-cancer properties. Hemohim is made from a combination of 3 key herbs, Angelica gigas, Cnidium officinale, and Paeonia Japonica, which all work synergistically together. Each herb has a history in traditional Asian medicine for immune support, anti-inflammatory effects, and vitality. So what are the health benefits of Hemohim? Hemohim boosts the immune function by increasing white blood cell production. It enhances the body's natural resistance to various pathogens, bacteria, viruses, fungi. It has proven effects in reducing inflammation and fatigue. The 3 key points of Hemohim are the following. It activates NK cells, or natural killer cells, created in the bone marrow, which are directly responsible in destroying harmful cells in the body, including cancer cells. The immune cells are activated to improve the defense mechanism of the body. And the cytokines are released in the cells of the immune system to help regulate the immune response. So nowadays, everyone talks about free radicals, oxidative stress, and how it impacts on the health. So let's talk about this. What's the deal? What is oxidative stress, and what are free radicals? Free radicals are unstable molecules in the body. The body normally makes free radicals while breaking down nutrients to give us the energy we need to function. The production of free radicals during these normal processes in the body is one reason why, even as we age, this can increase even if we're not exposed to any of the toxic substances. Free radicals are also produced when we are exposed to cancer-producing substances in the environment. Once these free radicals are made, they are free to do damage in the body. Antioxidants stabilize these free radicals. Think of your body as a car. Oxidative stress is when there is rust in your car. When rust accumulates in your car and becomes so much, of course, what happens to the car? It stops moving and you can't drive it. It's like a rotting fruit. When it rots, the fruit is no longer of use to us. Oxidative stress contributes to cell damage, aging, cancer, chronic diseases like diabetes, arthritis, and the list goes on. Free radicals are unstable atoms or molecules containing unpaired electrons. Hemohim's antioxidant properties help neutralize these free radicals by donating one electron to a free radical to make it more stable. This is the way Hemohim prevents the cellular damage and supports healthy aging. So, Hemohim is perfect for people with high oxidative stress levels due to environmental and lifestyle factors. Several studies published in peer-reviewed journals support Hemohim's health benefits. Let me name a few. For example, in this study, improved immune cell counts in the bone marrow using Hemohim were noted. There was also note of Hemohim as something that helps with stem cell regeneration, and anything that helps with stem cell regeneration is also anti-aging. Another study showing the protective effects of Hemohim against radiation, and there's another study showing how Hemohim helps with diabetes through its immune modulating property. So who can take Hemohim? Athletes with active training schedules, stressed homemakers, workers who work overtime or have busy schedules, students with weak immune systems caused by fatigue, seniors who need an immune boost since immunity declines with age. It certainly improves the quality of life of people who suffer from chronic fatigue. So basically, Hemohim is for anyone who wants to increase their stamina and immunity. The suggested dose would be 1 to 2 sachets per day, but if it's too much, you can start with just one. Now that you know the quality and convenience of Hemohim, let's talk about the price. So one box of Hemohim has 60 sachets, and the price is $155 per box, and 54,500 PV. Each sachet would cost around $2.50, cheaper than a cup of coffee, more healthier than energy drink like V. Considering the benefits and the quality of us, it is a small investment for your health. In summary, Hemohim offers a natural, powerful supplement that supports immune function, energy levels, and overall health. It is evidence-based, backed by research, and serves as a holistic approach to enhancing energy, in reducing fatigue, and protecting cells from oxidative damage and cancer. With its unique blend of herbal ingredients, it strengthens the body's resilience and vitality, making it a valuable addition to a balanced lifestyle. So whether you're looking to strengthen your immune system, boost energy, or simply enhance your well-being, Hemohim provides a holistic approach to supporting a healthy you. Last but not the least, remember, our health is our greatest asset, and investing in it today can lead us to a brighter, stronger future. Thank you, Dr.